Hi guys! Today we're continuing educational lessons about permanent makeup. In the last video I showed you how created a powder brow with a beautiful gradient. Today I'm gonna to show one of the complex techniques is a hairstroke or microblading technique. And first is an edge scan. Let's go! My name is Olga Yakovleva. I am permanent makeup artist, trainer, cosmetologist, tattoo artist, and your personal trainer for choosing professional equipment for your work. I will be happy for your likes, subscribe and comments, as this is support for my channel where I share with you absolutely free, useful and relevant information. All information in the video is subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. I have already prepared a latex face with eyebrows and now I am drawing our scheme of fascia. When we work with people, we always draw a sketch of the scheme. First, you draw the basic hair to create the fascia scheme. I'm separating the toe and the body of the eyebrows. The toe have of two parts and the body of three parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. This will allow the most symmetrical transfer to the opposite eyebrow. And remember that you always draw in hairs at the same direction of your client's eyebrow hair. The bent line starts from the middle of the second block and goes to the bottom point of the fifth to the toe. We wave the lower hairs into the arch of the eyebrow using a taller shape. There are 4-5 hairs in the underline. The top hairs in Asia styling are long. We wave them into the bend and taller form is able to be with a more expressive curve. The last ones in block 5 we may not connect to the main bend line. This is influenced by the preferences of the artists. We outline the head of the eyebrow in the first block about 4 hairs. The bend of the hair is arched. Perhaps there will be fewer hairs and the eyebrow's head. Here you are looking at the growth of the client's native hairs. Then I'm gonna to fix our sketch. I'm going to work with onyx hair from the Fender company. My working voltage is 6.5. Let's go. I'm fixing our mane of hairs. I'm making a very short edge back and forth. And only after fixing the sketch, I'm going to move onto thinner hairs and create volume. The second step is to add thinner hairs. I'm diving blocks between of main hairs in half from the middle of each main hair and creating a slingshot at an acute angle. I try to connect with the area end at the start and end of each hair must be area. From each corner I'm drawing one or two more hairs. I create vellus hairs with a longer powder edge because these hairs should be the airiest and lightest. The final step is to add color, tone, thickness and volume to the main waves. I'm using a longer loose stroke. In the next video, I'm gonna to create for you another brow scheme for hairstroke technique. Don't miss! I hope this video was useful and answered many of your questions. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.